So today is the day I'm going to show you my new project. So it's not at home, we've got to go somewhere to see it. That beep's annoying. I've got a storage locker, but I've been stashing a load of things I haven't got a space for at home, which is pretty useful. And I've bought myself another project car that I've got tucked away in there, so I need to go over there and tidy it up a bit because we've sold our house, so we're slowly going through our stuff to put a lot of stuff away in storage so that we haven't got to move it all on moving day, although we've not found a new house to buy yet, so that's still to do. But since I'm going to the lock-up, I thought I'd take the camera with me and show you my new project. Choke at the moment, not been anywhere since yesterday. So I've just dragged the car out the lock-up. You can't see it yet. It's not pretty, but it's mine. I've got a few ideas of what I want to do with this car. So I suppose I better show you before I give it away completely, hadn't I? I'll try and do some nice shots so you can see with a bit of music perhaps. Speak to you again soon. So that's the car. It's a 1992 Mayfair Auto. I've got the auto bits down there. I just took it apart and took the crank out and a few bits and pieces that are useful for other people. But yeah, that's going to be bin fodder at some point. I don't want that. It's come with a quarter panel that's in the car down there. For that side where there's a quarter panel missing, and it's come with a couple of doorstep repair panels, because I think this one is quite bad. It's had cover sills on it. On this side it's still got the cover sill. On the driver's side the cover sill's missing. Well, the sill's missing. It's had a new sill on it, inner sill. There's a few bits and pieces. I'm not entirely happy with the repair work that's been done. Could have been done better, but it's a starting point, isn't it? The roof's pretty solid. Yeah, it's had inner wings replaced, but they look like some second-hand sections have been used. Been welded in down there. So I need to investigate that a little bit further. But yeah, I've got some ideas with this car. Engine swap, stuff like that. I don't want to do an engine swap because I want to go faster like all these Honda boys. I want to do an engine swap because I want to make it a bit more refined, make it a bit more of a comfortable motorway cruiser. So I've got 5 or 6 gears and loads of soundproofing and sound deadening, make it a nice quiet plush thing to be in. So we'll see how that goes. May not work out. I had every intention of doing an engine swap in the other Mini, didn't I? But I didn't. So yeah, new project car. This will be fun, because if I make this a nice driver that I can go everywhere in, then I can do a little bit more different things with that one. I don't know if you noticed, driving over here, I've fitted a bucket seat in there, so it'd be pretty cool to put a harness in and take out the back seat and a cage and all that sort of stuff. So I don't want to do that at the moment because it means I can't take the kids for a run around, pick them up from school and stuff in it, so it's got to stay as it is. But yeah, new project car, should be fun. Not got a lot, that's about all there is. There's a front subframe in there, shock absorbers and heater pipes and bits and pieces, but that's pretty much all it's come with. So it's going to be pretty good fun. Get stuck into another one. I miss that bit, all the welding and trying to make it solid again. Certainly miss that. That thing's tidied up a bit in there now, so that's a new project car. Drop us a comment below, let me know what you think of it. I'm not going to be getting started on it anytime soon, because obviously we've sold our house and we've got to move. We still haven't found a house yet to buy, and we need to be in a new house before I can start it. And ideally we've got a few other things to do, maybe a bit of work to do on the house and all that kind of stuff. So I'm not going to get stuck into working on the car until we're all settled and set up in our new house. So it's going to be a little while, probably later this year, early next year, before we get that set up. And I've lent my jig to a friend, so he's still got his Mini on that at the moment, so I can't get that back off him just yet. I don't want to take it off until he's finished with it. So yeah, there's a fair bit to do. So you'll have to stick around for when the project gets underway.